this isn't your typical video. You are in a right place if you are seeing this video, because we're not about to hit you with cheesy success stories or motivational quotes. Instead, you're getting a raw, unfiltered game plan. It might look basic, but trust me, this is the stuff people like Elon Musk actually use to get to the top. It might sound like common advice, but stick with it and be patient. It'll mess with your mindset in a good way. All right, straight up. Have a wild dream. Yep, gotta have that crazy vision first. I'm gonna be a millionaire, a billionaire, a total game changer, invent something awesome. Sounds childish, right? But that's where everyone kicks off. Here's the kicker though. Just dreaming ain't enough. A dream stays a dream until you actually do something about it. Anyone can dream big. Moving on to, this is where the doers split from the dreamers. Knowing how to make that dream real. To nail your dream, you need a logical plan, like starting a startup, getting into trading, becoming an entrepreneur, cooking up new ideas. It's all about figuring out your route. But even that's not the whole picture. You need a more detailed plan, actual steps, like where do you even start? Let's jump to the next thing. Planning the steps to plan those steps. You gotta see where you're at right now and what you bring to the table. Like if you're a student, your focus needs to be on learning stuff that helps your goals and getting your studies done. Studies? Yeah, seriously. People diss education saying it won't make you rich, but that's only half true. Thing is, like 88% of millionaires and 30% of billionaires actually have some kind of education. But listen up. Don't fall into the education trap. Don't let the system brainwash and use you. Instead, use it to your own advantage. Pick what you study wisely. Choose a degree that actually helps you learn. Don't just be a bookworm. Study smart so it pays off later. And seriously, don't let the education system just use you. One more thing. If you're clueless about where you stand and what to do next, hit up the internet. Check out business podcasts, look at successful people you admire, see their mistakes so you don't repeat them. Learn to use the internet to get the info you need to focus right now. Now, step number 3. Tons of people have the knowledge, but they're just lazy and don't put in the work. You gotta mix hard work with smart work. Knowing stuff is pointless if you don't know how to use it. And the thing is, once you learn enough, you'll realize being smart isn't enough. You gotta grind smart and hard. And step number 4. Seriously, never give up. Keep an eye on what's happening around you, stay updated, keep learning, and remember, nobody hits it big overnight. Even Elon Musk messed up a bunch of times and lost millions. If it was someone else, they probably would have quit after the first big fail. So yeah, never give up. Sounds simple, but it's not. It's tough not to throw in the towel, otherwise everyone would be living the dream. We'll be dropping more videos on this stuff, so feel free to subscribe. All the best on your journey to be the greatest. Thanks for tuning in.